anyone who knows me knows I am terrible at styling my hair, but that is why I absolutely love all the Wavy Talk products because they're so easy to use. And I say that without actually using this one yet. So we are gonna give this a try and see how well it goes. This is the like cooling style curl pencil. And I get why it's called the pencil. Like, look how slim this is. I think this is really awesome. And you also have this little lock feature. So like when you're traveling and not using it, you can lock this so that they're not like open and obviously like break inside your suitcase. To turn it on, you actually have to hold the power button for a couple of seconds, and then you can then filter through the different temperatures. I just went with the hottest. I don't think I need the hottest because there was like a little chart I saw, and depending on your hair, I have really fine, thin hair. I think if you have like super thick curly hair, then you would go hotter. But because like I'm just trying this for the very first time and I'm only gonna do a couple of curls, I am gonna go the hottest and see how well it goes. So the nice thing about this, so obviously I'm going to unlock it. You can also use this as a straightener. So as someone who, again, my hair is really fine and straight, but I always have it up just like in a low bun, and then you get like the little kinks and stuff. So just, you know, taking the small pieces of your hair and going through, it also acts as a straightener, and like that is pin straight. That is pretty awesome. It is now piping hot to touch my hair. They do give you a glove, which I do recommend using. I'm not using it because I'm not doing my whole head right now, but your hair is going to be super hot to the touch after. But the really nice thing about this also is because we know heat is not always super great for your hair, they do have this cooling feature as well. So from everything that I have read, once I kind of get my hair in here and I get it curled, then you want to turn on that cooling feature and hold it for a few seconds. Then it also allows you to get closer to, you know, your scalp and your, you know, your face up here without actually burning your skin, which is great. And of course, better for your hair to have some of that cooling on there. So I'm going to go ahead. We're gonna hope this works because, as I said, I am terrible at stuff like this, but that is usually why I really love Wavy Talk products. We're gonna go with a smaller piece here. I did see a bunch of videos of people with like small, really cute, like pixie cuts and stuff, and this is really great just to kind of grab and twist, but clearly I have longer hair. So I'm gonna kind of grab this, and I think we bring this down, and then I'm gonna hold it like as if like, you know, like a little curling iron, I assume. Again, because I just have such boring straight hair, I don't do a lot with it. So now I'm pretty close. I'm going to turn on the cooling, and which right away, it's getting a little sweaty, and now it kind of like cools me down a little bit. So I'm gonna leave that on for a couple seconds here, and then I'll turn that off, and then we're just going to untwist and hope I have, ooh, you know what? That's not bad for my first time. Obviously, I'm gonna have to tweak it and figure out what I'm doing. I need, because again, my hair is really long. I definitely didn't go all the way to the end. That's why this would be here. So you wanna get a more closer to the end. So let's just grab another piece. Again, obviously, you need some small sections. I do think because I have such long hair, we wanna get a better hold on here. Let's get this brought up here. Maybe I need to hold it a little bit longer. So that looks like a pretty nice curl to me. Let's go ahead. Oops, I pushed the wrong button. Oh, I changed the temperature. Okay, going back. There we go. So let's go. And maybe the way I unwrapped it, I'm not 100% sure. Again, as I said, love trying these things live so we can kind of figure these out as we are going. I bet because I do have longer hair, it probably needs to be held there a little bit longer. Maybe if I just keep the cooling on, and then let's go ahead and unwrap this and see. Oh, and then we've got that one. It's definitely better. Then we've got that beach wave going on. So now imagine all these really nice fun curls throughout your hair. The other thing too that I did see a lot of people are saying, a pro tip, again, I'm not a hair person, you want to kind of put some sort of like styling like mousse in your hair, something lightly just so that it will help hold that curl. That's probably something I would maybe do afterwards, kind of put that. But then I would have all these beautiful curls throughout my whole head. Super simple, so lightweight. That's the other reason I usually hate doing my hair, is because you're holding these tools that are so heavy, but this is really lightweight and easy. This is great.